Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test. And in this video, we are going to see the solution for monthly test MNT02. Okay, so this test is already you have received, and which is on classifications 3 subtopics, and the unit 3 series there are the 2 topics we are cover, number and figures. So let's see all the questions and their answers. So question number 1 to 3, select the term which does not match the group. Okay, so from the 4 options, one options we have to choose which is does not match in this particular group. Means the 4 options are showing or denoting something a group, or we can say something similarity. Okay, so question number 1, so gold, silver, charcoal and iron. Okay, so in this one option 3 is a different because this is a non-metal, other are the metal. Now question number 2, oil, butter, cream, curd. So in this one oil is a different, means option number 1 is the correct one because butter, cream and the curd are made from the milk. Okay, oil is a different one. Now question number 3, leaf, tree, fruit, flowers. Now in this one the tree is a different because all the others means leaf, fruits, flowers are the part of the trees. Okay, so tree is a different classification, or we can say that different from the others. Now question number 4 and 5, select the odd man out, or we can say the wrong term from the following given group. So question number 4, behind, down, over, open. So in this one open is a different one, so option number 4 is a correct one because all others are the prepositions. Open is not a prepositions. Now question number 5, calendar, week, month and year. So in this one week, month and year are the periods, or we can say the time frames. Okay, but calendar is not a time frame, it's a referring for the month, week and the year. Okay, so this is not a time related, this is just a written papers. Okay, so calendar means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 6 to 10, select the term which does not match the group. Now question number 6, 21, 27, 36 and 66. So in this one 27 is a different because others means 21, 36 and 66 all are the triangular numbers. Now question number 7, 17, 65, 81 and 101. So from this one 81 is a different because 81 is the square of square number, or we can say the square of the 9. Okay, so due to the square number others are not a square numbers. Now question number 8, 5, 7, then 71, 73, then 17 and 19 and 4 option 21, 23. Now in this one option 4 is a correct because 21, 23 is not a pair of twin prime numbers, others are all the twin prime pairs. Okay, so question number 9, the option number 1, 23 by 5, option number 2, 43 by 7, option 3, 51 by 4 and option 4, 71 by 9. So in this one if you see the additions of all this numerator, or numerator is equals to the denominator. Okay, so in option number 3 actually this is a 41 and this one is the 5, so this typo error. Okay, so please consider this one. So in this one the option number 4 is a different one. Okay, so additions of these two digit is equals to the denominator's digit. Okay, so if any students has marked this one, okay, they are the correct one, and due to this error, so please consider this question as your correct one because of the typo error. So please consider this is a 41 by 5. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is equals to 5, so 4 plus 3 here 7, 2 plus 3 here 5. Okay, now question number 10, 310, 749, 981, 525. So all are the 3 digit number. So here the 100 place is the digit. If we make the square of this one we will get the other 2 digits number. Okay, so 3 square is not a 10, but here 7 square 49, 9 square 81 and 5 square 25. So option number 1 is the different one. Okay, now question number 11, So for question number 11 to 15, select the figure term which does not match the group. Okay, so from option number 1 to 4, if you keenly observe these images, this is a shape of somewhat be like a leaf. Okay, so and this is the leaf stem. Okay, so the lines are, or we can say the this angular something, or we can say the arrow shaping, okay, is toward the leaf space or leaf stem. Okay, so here also the same and here also the same. Okay, but in option number 4, the directions of this one are the different than the leaf stem. Okay, so that's why option number 4 is the different one. Now question number 12, one arrow is here and one circular dot is here. Here the squares, or we can say the solid square. So arrow's left side is the dot and arrow's right side is the square. Okay, solid square. So here also same, means this is a rotating. Okay, anti-clockwise. After this arrow is here, this dot is moving here and this square dot solid square is moving like this one, then we are getting this one. So after this one also we are getting this one, but in option number 4, now this is totally different because of these two positions are interchanging. So instead of the square there is the solid circle, and instead of the solid circle there is a square comes. Okay, so the direction sides are the different, so that's why option number 4 is the different one. So question number 12, option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 13, here square is there, so all the vertices of the square having the some lines, so four corners, four lines. Here the triangle, so three vertices, or we can say the three corners, so three lines. Here hexagon is there, but only the five corners have the line, one line is missing. Okay, here pentagon, so five lines are there, so option number 3 is a different because of the one line is missing. Here one line is missing. Okay, now question number 14, 64 plus 36. Here if we make the addition 100 numbers we are getting. Here 53 plus 57, here 110 comes. Here 81 plus 19, 100 number comes. Here 72 plus 28, here also 100 number get. So option number 2 is a different one. Now question number 15, if you see all the figures, all are the something symmetrical. Okay, they have something symmetricals more than one. Okay, but and the corners we can say, or the vertices are the symmetrically around, or we can say the 360 degree. Okay, but option number 2 have the only one edge. Okay, or we can say the one corner. All are the curve, or we can say the circular pattern. So that's why option number 2 is a different one. Now question number 16 to 20, which number will come in place of the question mark? So on a question mark we have to place, or we have to choose the number from these options which can be perfectly suitable for this number series. Okay, so 15, 28, then 41, then 54. So here if you see 15 to 28, here 13 is the difference, then 28 to 48, here also the 13 is difference, means we can say addition of the 13. So after this one again addition of the 13, we are getting the 54. So again we have to add the plus 13, so we will get the perfect number which can be replaced to the question mark. So 54 plus 13 means 67. So option number 1 is the perfect. Now question number 17, here 13 plus 13, then 17, then 25, then 32, and then question mark. So here the logic is that one. So the number here 13, so 13 plus the digits addition. So here 1 plus 3, 4. Okay, so 4 is added in a 13, so getting the 17. Now here 1 plus 7 means 8, so 8 is added in a 17, so that get 25. So here 2 plus 7, sorry, 2 plus 5, here the 7, so 7 has to be added in a 25, then get the 32. So like this one, 3 plus 2, 5, so we have to add the 5, so 32 plus 5, 37, and 37 is given in option number 4. Question number 18, 37, then 31, then 29, then 23. So all are the prime numbers but in a descending order. So after the 29, 19 is a prime number, so option number 3 is a perfect, or we can say the correct one for this series. Now question number 19, 2 by 3, then 3 by 5, then 5 by 28, then 7 by 48. Okay, so here 2 having the square 4, so 4 minus 1 is the here 3 comes. So 3 square is the 9. So 9 minus 1, 8 comes. Means always be the denominator is a square of the numerator number minus 1. Okay. So he like this one. 5 square 25 minus 1 24. 7 square 49 minus 1 48. So like this one. But the numerator are all the prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7. So after the 7, 11 is a prime number. So 11 having the square 121, so minus 1 means 120, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 28, then 27, then 64, and then question mark. After this one 216. So here the logic is that one 8 is a cubic number of the 2, 27 is the cubic number of the 3, 64 is the cubic number of the 4, and 216 is the cubic number of the 6. So 2, 3, 4, 6. So missing number is the 5. So 5 cube is the 125, which is given in option number 1. Now question number 21 to 25, which number will come in place of the question mark? So the first two figures have something logic. There are the registration mark, or we can say the symbol, and the alphabet, English alphabet E. Now in this one, it's a right side of this registration mark, and in the next figure it comes to the left side. Now here registration mark and the 3 is there, which is the number. So as per this conversation, or we can say the changing the places, so same we have to change the place. So 3 should be in the left side. So left side of this 3 means this one, and then registration mark. So the option number 4 is the correct one for question number 21. Now question number 22, here the circle and the star is there, but their movement, if we see, the star is moving from here to here, okay, and then again for the corner, then again for the corner, okay. So like this one, so here one position, here one position, and after this one some corners are there, okay. So star moving in a clockwise direction, and this circle is moving toward the anti-clockwise direction. So like this ones, so star is here in the next figure here. So after this one it should be here, okay. So here the star, okay, I'm marking here, and the circle is now moving here to here, okay, after this here to here, okay, and then this corner like here. So it will move to the next means here at the center, okay. So the option number 2 is a correct for question number 22. Question number 23, here the one directions of the arrow, okay, and another direction is the line, and there is a triangle showing, okay, downward, okay. In the next figure triangle is comes to the upward, and the arrow is also showing in a downward direction, means we can say it's the rotation of the 180 degree, okay, means perfectly 180 degree after the rotation in a clockwise direction we are getting this figure. So for same fundamental, or we can say the same sequence we will use for this figure. So this arrow is here, so it will turn 180 degree, means like this one, and this arrow is toward the down, so it will turn 180 degrees, so it will shows like this one, and these two arrows, and after this one whatever the shapes is there. So this is given in option number 3. So option number 3 is the correct for question number 23. Now question number 24, there are the some 3 arrows, okay, here like this one we can see, and in the next figure it's turns to the 180 degree, okay, means vertical to the now downwards, okay. So same we have to do, the symbols are keeping the same, okay, means now for the symbol same means option number 2 and 4 are matching, but these 2 arrows will be opposite, means now in this figure that will be comes to the upward direction like this one, okay, and this is given in perfectly in option number 2. Option number 4, the arrows, or we can say the curve, are totally different, because the here the shape is not changing, only the direction changing, so we have to keep the same shape, okay. So option number 2 is a correct. Now question number 25, here small circle, okay, the circle also keeping the same, but inside the circle there is a addition symbol, and behind the circle there is a cross symbol, okay. If you see, this is the cross, but due to the circle this line is getting hidden, okay, means behind there is a cross and in front there is a addition, or we can say the plus sign. Now in the next figure, this addition symbol goes to the behind, and this behind's cross comes to the in front. Okay, but the circle is keeping the same. So as per this same logic we have to use. Here the rectangular means rectangular should be keeping here. Here in the front there is a cross, so that will be moved to the back side. Okay, and this back side's addition, or we can say the plus sign, that comes to the inside. Okay, and this figure is giving in option number 3. So option number 3 is the correct in for question number 25. Thank you.